Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so we are live now, and this is so let's just begin with our today's topic for live session, which is Solidity Part 2. Now, in our first session, we talked progress in blockchain development. We saw like how you can have your first smart contract, how you can deploy it using Remix. You created your first smart contract in that particular video, and there I told you that there is an amazing website, basically, this crypto zombies, which would help beginners learn about Solidity more, more nicely. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started and let's have a look on this website. So here basically we can have two different courses. They have Libra and Solidity. You can learn any language that you want, but we would be continuing Solidity. So just start the course. You would get into this loom structure where you have the circular like solidity part for beginners, then we have advanced, and then we have beyond Ethereum, like uh, something more and more like what you can have. You are not using Ethereum, like there are more things other than Ethereum and blockchain, right? There is more things in other than Solidity, like there are so many languages with the help of which you can create smart contracts. So yeah, here is a brief upon that also. So now let's get started with our first one, and let's get started with the making the zombie factory. I actually tried this front end web3.js, and that's why I'm seeing that this is an awesome website. You all should visit it if you want to learn Solidity. Means they have a structure, they have everything like from starting to the end. Like in few couple of lectures, you would be like, okay, this was something which we know because we watched the first live stream of this channel. So yeah, you would thank me later if you visit this website today, as yeah, you would be getting a lot of stuff from here. So let's just get started with our first module, and here you can see that they have some descriptions. They have like they have put it the things in a story way for yourself. So you have to actually read these things. Like in first lesson, we are going to build a zombie factory. To build an army of a zombie, our factory will maintain a database of all zombies in our army. Now, these are the field setting for you so that you can brainstorm that, like, why we are using this, what this would be, and like learning with a problem statement is always better than learning alone. So I guess this would help you a lot. So let's get started with the first one, and it's just something like the zombie's appearance will be based on its zombie DNA. Zombie DNA is simple. It's a 16 digit integer like this one. Just like a real DNA, different part of this number will map to different traits. So suppose if we have a head of 5, and we have a gene of 4, we have a shirt of like 2, and we have a skin color of something like 182, we have an eye color of 100 ml. So when you will be combining all these numbers, a 16 digit number will be formed, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are the 12 digit number which would be formed, and it's like the first two digit map the zombie's head, the second two digits would be like eye. So yeah, if you have 5 or 6, then 1 0 would be added, something like that. So let's just move like what is okay. They have given an example. So for example, the first two digits of our zombie is 83. The map that to the zombie's head type do with like 83 percentage 7 plus 1, which is equals to 7. So this zombie have the seventh zombie's head type. So basically, the head type of this zombie would be something. Oh, okay. I'm not able to scroll this right. Like this 7. Now the same thing you can do with the in the panel to the right. Go ahead and move the head gene slider. Okay, you have to adjust the slider according to this particular thing. So I guess the and the second two is the zombie's eye. So the second two is 56. Now you need to have a 56 percentage 7 plus 1. So you have to just have a scroll bar according to your particular number which you get, and then we can have I guess after shirt gene we are having one single one only. Let's just have a calculation. So 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. So the skin color, the eye color, and the cloth color would be same. So suppose this were the two, this were the two, and this were the two. So the skin color should be 104. Okay. The eye color should be 900 something, but it's just so basically, you have to divide everything up. You have need to take out the percentage with every number. What I am able to understand with this article till now. So yeah, this is how you can start up with this course, and you could just have a fix with this, and then just go to the next path. Basically, that would help you to get an idea like how your zombie looks like. So, okay, that's something which is for fun, but the real thing starts from here. Now, from here, they have started with the contracts only, like Solidity contracts, because we have seen in the first stream that Solidity is a language that helps you to build smart contracts on Ethereum blockchain. So, yeah, you can have your code with this contract within this contract. So, like first, this is the compulsory line to have your this I guess that Solidity version, not I guess, yeah, I'm sure that this would help you to have your Solidity version, and then you have to have this over here. So what it says that enter the Solidity version over here and create the smart contract over here. So first, if you want to pass this test, you actually have to just with this particular thing and just paste it over here. So this is the Solidity version, and then they want us to have the contract like classes. We have class, then class name, and then curly braces. So something like that with the contract, and you would be clicking on check answers. Oh, I have a problem. So the problem is that the contract should be contract instead of hello world, and the C should be capital over here. Yeah, now I should not get a problem, I guess. No, the problem persists. So what's the problem? The problem is that you need to create an empty contract called zombie factory. So yeah, and these are some of the instructions that you need to keep in mind while playing this game. So yo, we got a victory and we unlocked the next lesson. So let's just move on. Now this is like great job. Now that we have got a shell for our contract, let's learn about how Solidity deals with variables. So now they would be like what type of variables they are. So they have started with the uint, and then there are means like many variables, right? It says that declare a uint named DNA digits and set it equals to 16. So like they are trying to make the first program only. So like we have declared it as like uint, then the variable name, and let's just set it to 16. So let's just have a check. Yeah, we got it right. Now the fourth one says that okay, there are four types of oh no, five types of operations in mathematics which Solidity uses, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, something like that. So they wanted us to have like set it equal to 10 to the power of digits. Okay, so to make sure our zombies DNA is only 16 character, let's make another uint equals to 10 to the power 16. So they just wanted us to be like this. They want us to create an uint type DNA module, and this should have like they should be later used in modular. Okay, okay. So right now they want us to have uint, and I guess they wanted us that we should have a DNA digits, not digits. Sorry, we already have digits. So right now we need modulos. So modulus. Okay, yeah, this is the first thing. Like you have to keep the names same, or else you would have some errors. So don't forget to just read the conditions they have to pass their tests. So we have a uint of DNA modulus, and this should be equal to 10 to the power, I guess, right? Power, and this is DNA digits. Now I guess it should pass our test. If it doesn't, then we need to figure out something. Okay, so where is the problem, man? Yeah, this line only has a problem. I was okay. We just modified this line, so this only should have the problem, right? Now let's just try again. Oh, I'm not able to understand what they want me to do. Okay, we can't use this particular thing. Oh, I just forgot. Yeah, they are right. This is not in calculator, right? So let's just use this, and instead of 16, let's just use this variable name only. Paste, and let's have a try. Yeah, we passed this test with the help. Okay, fine. So now sometimes you need a complex data type. For this, Solidity provides structures. So yeah, from this module, today's agenda would carry on. Like we would be talking about struct, we would be talking about enum, and we would be talking about, I guess, okay, let's see the time. Like it's already 1 or 2 a.m. So let's just have a bit of intro of struct only, and then we can just carry on. So we have someone today on a live stream. So hey Vivek. Yeah, so let's get started with this struct person, like making our own custom data types. Now, struct are same as C. If you are familiar with C languages, you have probably seen this struct keyword, and you have probably gone through this. So basically, they allow us to create our own data types. Suppose we are not interested in having something in particular, like we are not interested in using the default data types, and we want something to build very complex, and we want to collect a few things and make our own thing. So they have an example of a person, like they have created an struct with the help of struct keyword. They gave them a name person, and there they want that person name and age should come together, so that they could not like go through each other again and again. Okay, we have. So yeah, I know there is a lag in the stream, and it's a bit irritating. I know that. So sorry for that, but I could not do anything of it till now. So we were talking that okay, we have a person and they have a unit age and string. Like uint is basically variable type and age is the variable name. So this is a customized structure. Means here you can add anything. You can add that address of a person. You can add date of birth of a person, and you can just create a total person. Right. So suppose that means what our this game one from us is that they want us to create a struct with name zombie, and this zombie struct will have two properties. One would be the name and the second would be the number. The name should be of string type and the number should be of DNA type. So let's just create a struct. Let's say that okay, this struct has a name of zombie, like we are making zombie only, means we are making zombie factories. So yeah, we need a zombie type of a variable which would include all the information about a zombie. So now, as we have a struct and we have given it a name zombie, now it's time to have properties of that struct, properties of our zombies. So it's like an object in JavaScript. If you are from JavaScript background, it's like a struct in C, and C++ also uses struct. So yes, cool. It's a bit different from classes because classes also includes functions and struct only includes data types or variable types. So that's the main difference. Like it only holds properties. It don't have any functions in it. And if a struct has a function, then it is a class. Okay. So now let's create a struct of zombies. So they want us to create a string with variable name, and they want to create as a uint with DNA. So this is the struct they are expecting from us. Now let's have a check. Yeah, whoa, we have a passed test. Now let's move on to the next chapter. Oh, okay. I was not using this particular thing, or it's just with this. I okay. And so, after having a bit intro to struct, let's have an intro to arrays also. Now, arrays are like arrays. If you are familiar with arrays, and if you have came from a programming background, then yeah, arrays are like collection of things, and you can start with a zero. But if you are new to a programming, and if you want to look like what is this array, then for you there is one description. If you want to collect few things like of same types in a group, we use arrays. So it could be like arrays of chocolates, like dairy milk chocolates. So if we are having four types of dairy milk chocolates, one is silk, the second one would be the Bonville, the third one would be the dry fruits, and the fourth one would be like jelly, okay. So, or caramel, a dairy milk caramel. So these four are dairy milk chocolate, so they are of dairy milk type. But the main difference is that they are like they are like uh, different in nature. Like the value is different, but their type is same. They all belong to the dairy milk company, but their tastes are different. So, arrays help you to have these collections. Means the taste could be different, but the type of that chocolate would be the same. Like the company would be same. Same as arrays. Arrays are like the type of the variable will be the same, but the values will be different of that variable. So this would be the perfect explanation for an array that I could figure out till now. So yeah, this was about arrays. Now let's have like how we can declare an array. So array could be declared with the help of square brackets. Like it's a symbol of an array. Wherever we see a square bracket, we as a programmer, I'm talking about, and whenever a programmer look at a square brackets, they are like, oh man, yeah, this is cool. Like this is something which I know that it is gonna to end up a array over here. So jokes apart, to define an array in solidity, we can have it like this. Like first, give a variable name. Now let's just use this particular thing only. It says that we are going to want to store an array of zombies in our app, and we are going to uh, okay, and we are going to want to show off all our zombies to other apps. So we will be wanted it to be public. So basically they want our right now. Okay, so like zombies are not something which will be like one. We have seen that we want many zombies. So zombies is like Dairy Milk Company, and Zombie 1, Zombie 2, Zombie 3 are like the flavors of Dairy Milk chocolates, right? So like we need a dynamic array because we don't know that how many zombies are gonna be there. Like if I know that there would be 10 zombies, then I could give a value in square brackets and say that okay, I need 10 zombies. That's why I'm having 10 over here. But I know that I don't want to have number of zombies. Like I am not aware till now that my program would be storing or manufacturing how many types of zombies. So for now, let's keep it dynamic. Now dynamic means that the you are not supposed to give any value to your array. It could be like anything. It could be like this array could contain three types of dairy milk chocolates. This array could contain seven types of dairy milk chocolates. It's something like that. So let's just keep it blank for now. And the second thing is that we want these zombies to be displayed on some other apps. And if you want to access something outside your own contract, of course, we need an public keyword. So let's give this a public. Now this public would be coming over here, right? Now let's okay, I guess this was something that we need to do, right? No, this is not something that we creating a public array of zombie struck and name it zombies. Okay, they want us to rename this particular thing. So it's like uh, we are not supposed to do this over here. Sorry, sorry, very sorry about that. Yeah, I got it. What they were wanted from us. So basically, we have declared this was a data type. Let's just have a comments over here right now. Okay, so we said that these are the data types. Now this is also data type. It's like event. Now this zombie would work like a event. So let's just remove it from here, and I just need to have zombie over here. Now we will be doing everything that we wanted. So this zombie would be like collection of arrays. It would be a public. We have discussed why we are eager to have it in as an array, and why we are having a public keyword over here. And they wanted us to give it a name of zombies, so let's have zombies as name. Okay. Oh, my typing speed is really worst here. Okay, so now let's just have a try. Yeah, we just passed another test. So basically, okay, can I not go again to that particular thing? No issues. So we have seen array declaration, so we can skip it for now. And working with structs and arrays, so yeah, we just cover that. Also, I guess. Okay, so they want fill in the functions body. So yeah, we can leave it for now, uh, but just let's just have a look like what they are trying to say to us. Like it says that let's make our create zombie function do something. Filling the function, okay. So in the with the help of the previous module, they have created a function for us. So this is not something that has came from sky, okay guys. It's something that was provided to us in the previous module. So it says that filling the functions, and so it creates a new zombie. So this particular functions help you to create a zombie and add it to the zombies array. So basically we are gonna work with push operation over here, and it says that the name and DNA of the new zombie should come from the function arguments. So these are the arguments, and we are gonna like give it over here. So what we are gonna do right now is something like we have zombies. So zombies was the array. To push a particular thing in an array, we use a push. To add a particular stuff in an array in Solidity or in JavaScript, we use push. Okay. Now this push would be like would be pushing a struck type thing. Okay, because zombies this zombies is a zombie type variable. Like we have un type variables, we have string type variables. Same way this zombies are zombie type variables. So we want to push a value in zombies, so we would be having like zom B, and this would be holding all those two values that we want to store. Like this and this values need to be defined. So first we will be passing the name, and the second one would be like DNA. So let's just pass DNA. I guess it should work for us right now. Let's just check the answer. No, it doesn't. So the thing is that you need to define name over here. And the thing is that you need to define DNA over here. Now I should. Oh, it didn't pass still. So let's do it with one line of rule. Keep things clean and clear. Yeah, I also tried to do it with one thing only. So the problem came, or the problem arises is hmm. So the problem is that we want to extract this. Okay, so मेरे ख्याल से तो वैसे ही होना चाहिए था, but let's just remove it and let's just have it a try. So the problem is coming over here only. So okay, we need to have a semicolon. Damn, the semicolon. So guys, please, always have a semicolon, because Solidity is not like JavaScript, and I am very used to working in JavaScript. So these are the errors which never ever मतलब पीछे नहीं छोड़ेगी भाई. So just be habitual of having semicolons after each line. So let's move to the next chapter, and it is about private and public functions. So basically, private functions would be only called within this Solidity program, like this smart contract only. You won't be able to access outside a contract, and public can be accessed from anywhere. So they wanted us to have add to array, something like that, and they wanted to have a private function for that. So they want to have modify create private function. Don't forget to name convention. Okay, so they just want us to have this as a private for now. Oh, private, man. Yeah. So I guess this should work. None of the tests get passed at first for me. I should start reading all this stuff, then only we are gonna be able to do it, right? So, okay, private functions have this, that only they want to say by naming convention, guys. We are so stupid, yeah, literally so stupid, yeah. No issues. Now we have more functions. I guess I should not be having or solving these things right now, right? It's almost 2 a.m. morning. Very good, man. So we will be continuing it. I'm not saying that I'm just like throwing all my weapons over here. It's just that let's have a rest over here. We will be coming live soon for further exercise which are there in this particular course. And yeah, I would be going through all these um, small stuff again. Wow, great, man, great. So that's it for today, guys. And please, man, subscribe the channel. Yeah, like we are na at 40 something right now. 340 something. 349. Yeah, I just saw today. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. We will be meeting soon on this particular channel. Till then, have a nice day, of course. Okay, so let's just end the stream.